again, we will revert back to you on that, Honorable Chanco. Again, the committee secretariat is looking into that. This is something that we can discuss internally. It's an internal matter of the Committee on Appropriations. So I would also not want that to hinder all of the other members to ask their questions pertaining to the 2026 fiscal year budget. So if we can get back to you on that, again, I can also ask the COMSEC to sit down and tackle the request, which we will put under consideration.
So, Madam Chair, I don't need to sit down with the COMSEC. I am just requesting that each and every member of the House be given the copy of the small committee report wherein makikita po kung saan po nagbawas ng kasi walang madadagdag kung walang binawas. So yun lang po ang hinihingi ko, pakita lang kung saan binawas at saan dinagdag. Yun lang ang hinihingi ko. And hindi naman po pwede ngayon lang yan gagawin kasi yan public record yan eh. And I'm sorry to disagree, but public funds is not an internal matter. Di ba kaya nga natin ginawang transparent to because it's not internal. Pag nagtanong tayo tungkol sa pera ng taong bayan, every question is valid and every question is a public matter. It is not an internal matter dahil pera po ito ng taong bayan.